Hi, to everybody out there, I have a few tips for you. And the first is I love putting lipstick on with this because you can't go wrong. You know what I'm saying? And I just go around like that. You don't even need a mirror. Just go, how's that look?
Looks great.
Yeah, but before I put the lipstick on, I should have told you this first about my secret with the mayonnaise. So if you have a little cup or a big spoon, you put that on there. But right now I'm going to use my finger because I know Michelle's in a hurry. Does this come off? There we go. Look at this. It's really great, I'm telling you. And I'm 88.
You're a new age every week. You're 83.
I'm 83. And look, if you just, right in here is where I get the wrinkles like this. And this really helps. And if you do it at night, so it's on all night, and you get up in the morning, wash your face, get ready, you'll see a little different. Every day it gets better and better.
Well, I thought that you used the mayonnaise in your hair.
Oops. Well, I do that also. And that's
Why do
good.
you use that in your hair?
Because if your hair gets dried out, especially in the summer, when you're in the pools and all that, this is great. It gives your hair, oops, it's upside down. But anyway, this gives your hair a lot of, what's the word, Michelle?
Moisture.
Moisture. That's right. I'm just a little nervous because I usually don't take pictures. But this is very good for you. It moistens your face. It's better than that stuff you put on for, you know, like getting tan and all. This does the same thing. That and egg whites is great. You got to try the egg whites under your eyes. It's really good. So, okay. So do you have that? And I think I'm done. And good luck to you. And give me a call if it works. And if it doesn't, well, we'll try something different next week. Bye. Love you.